Hi, friends, I'm Sherry, and thank you for joining me for Sherry's DIY Secrets. In the practice of trying to go live, I'm going to do today's video straight through, no edits. So, thank you to all of my followers that have subscribed to the channel and allowing me to be able to do a live broadcast. So, today I'm going to show you a technique to do a vase design that is simply beautiful and easy. Best of all, the cleanup takes less than 10 seconds. I can promise you that. So to start off, I'm going to show you what I'm using. And I have here a vase that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use just a little plastic wrap or saran wrap. And it doesn't take much, but you want to have enough saran wrap that will cover the majority of your vase. Let's rip this off. And saran wrap and I have a love-hate relationship. So I'm always ready for this to bend and uh, not do what it is that I want it to do. Now, I have my saran wrap, and to that, I'm going to add two paint colors. And the paint colors that I'm using for this vase, it's a metallic copper. And I got this from, I want to say Michael's. And then I have some cream colored or off-white colored paint. Both are acrylics, and you can really find these anywhere, including some of your dollar stores. So to start off, I'm going to do a quick and easy design. And I'm going to move this out of the way so that you can see. I'm going to start off with the copper. And the design I'm going to use is just some circles as best I can. And I'm going to add a little more. Now, to that, I'm going to add some of the off-white paint. And I'm going to move this over just a bit so you can see. I'm going to start with a couple dots in the middle of some of these circles. Yikes, this one's moving. I told you saran wrap and I are not the best of friends, but I have to learn how to live with saran wrap. So, okay, so now I have a couple of circles. I'm going to add a couple of lines here too, just randomly. I think you're going to be really amazed with the way that this vase turned out. And like I said, it's one of my favorites. So you're going to start, put the base of your vase down on the saran wrap in the middle. And then you're going to grab your saran wrap on the ends, or at the ends rather, and then affix that to the vase. I'm going to try to open this one up a little bit so it doesn't. There we go. And you will have some overlap. So not all of your paint is going to touch the vase, and that's fine. And then finally this one, and I'm going to add or push this up just a bit. So as you can see, I have the saran wrap wrapped around the vase. And I'm going to gently tap. You can also go up and down, but that does sometimes, if you go up, it causes the paint to ooze. And just like that, I want to stay as clean. I want to stay as clean as possible. So a couple more taps at the bottom as well, and all around the middle. This is a wonderful gift to give. So if you're thinking about giving a gift to someone for housewarming or birthday or some type of celebration, a vase is really a great gift. And I'm going to actually give my mom, because outside of her being my biggest supporter, she loves vases. And when I saw these colors, I thought it would be perfect for her to use during Thanksgiving. So now let's do the unveiling. So I'm going to pull back the saran wrap, And this is where Saran Wrap and I really define our relationship. Pull back, pull back, pull back. Now that we've gotten all of those, look at that. Look how beautiful this is. Now it will take a few hours to dry, and I am actually going to turn it right side up, allow it to dry, and then I'm going to use Mod Podge, maybe, to seal it in. I might even think about, or you may think about, doing a few designs as well, maybe adding some glitter or some embellishments at the top, maybe beading. But I like this. I really like this. And best of all, I know my mom is going to love this. So as I said, I'm going to just do a quick slide of the bottom, just so that that bottom piece is not really oozing over. And I'm going to turn it right side up, and then I'm going to leave it here for a few hours to dry. Now, the cleanup that I told you about, watch how easy this is. All you do is fold in those pieces, minus the paint that I got on my thumb, roll it up, and toss it. How easy is that? So folks, I thank you for joining me for this particular video that I've done on Sherry's DIY secrets. I do hope you enjoyed it, and come back and see me next time. Bye, friends. Don't forget to subscribe because there's more to come. See you soon.